How to download and install YouTube application in laptop or PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can download or install YouTube application in your PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up the Chrome and in the search bar go for youtube.com. After you open up youtube.com, if you navigate to this interface right here on your right hand side at the top, there is this button that says install YouTube. All you have to do is click on it. Now from here, click on install. After that, the YouTube application will be installed in your device. If you close this, and there you can see now it has been installed. Now if you open it up and change your mind to uninstall it, all you have to do is click on this three dot and now from here click on uninstall. So in that way you can install YouTube application in your laptop or PC. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.